You see this thing on the 3-minute chart? You know what this is going to be followed with? A big green bar. A big green bar is going to appear right here. What I do is tell you the future. Welcome to the channel. Screenshot this. Although the direction is not particularly long, let's wait just a few more seconds for the big green bar to come out. Bitcoin always does the same things. If you take away all the indicators, all the technical analysis, pseudoscience, all the emotions, and the guessing, you can predict exactly what Bitcoin is going to do. Now, I don't trade on BitMEX, but I use its chart. Let's check the time. Bitcoin has this crazy habit of dumping on Sunday nights. Will it dump tonight? We don't know. Waiting for the next candle, 3-minute candle. We're predicting the future right now. A big green bar. Boom. There it is. The clock went away, but it came out seconds ago. This is exactly what we do. This is how you get rich in crypto. I really like to do it on this BINGX. This FYBIT. Okay. Really great for shorting. And going long. This is a simple exchange. There's a link below. Got hit down to 25x. Some ALCMs fired off. Where are we now? Okay, look. So that was a fake out right there. I told you, Sunday nights are for dumping. Boom. So I just left my family. It's Sunday evening. And I only had a little bit of money in there. And then I transfer some money over because now I want to start trading. I love BingX. It's so easy. So let's do the little guy. Okay. So you got $500 in your account. Okay. So you start, you started with this 555. Okay. So you're making a little bit of money here. Now look at that 9%. So if you come over here, you grab this. Come on, come with me. Come over here. Come on. $9. That's your trading fee to borrow 100 times the money you put into the trade. This is a little guy with $200. Now you do this on cross margin, so it uses your entire wallet. Okay, and this is your reserve right there. Okay, this can go to zero, available margin, but for you to be liquidated, this has to go to zero. But you know what the worst enemy of making money is? You. If this trade goes against you, what do? You immediately close it because you don't want to lose all your money. How stupid is that? When I go to a trade, I stay to fight. My specific strategy is I understand direction, entry, and exit. That's all I care about. I don't care about the high and low for the day. I don't care about the volume. And I understand that it can go wildly against us because we're using 100x leverage. Now, if you were doing isolated trading, this is why I tell you must use cross. And this is why I like this BingX because it's easy to beat. But here, okay, you're watching your available margin. There's plenty there. That has to go to zero. You could be down 400% on each one of these. But the point is it only goes up and down. So where do you get off? That's the question. Where do you get off? Let's go to the next screenshot. Okay. Oh, this is the final. Is that the final? Hold on. This is called the comeback. Okay. And as they started coming to profit after being down all that money, you can see, look, my available margin's going up. Things are going in my direction because I didn't get nervous and run away from the trade. This is a kamikaze style of trading. You first begin with how much are you willing to put in the exchange? That if it could go to zero, okay, because it's all going to be in your trade. If it goes to zero, you're not going to freak out. But again, it can't be dust. If it's dust, you're going to make dust. You want to get rich or you want to make dust? You could see here, my available margin came back to over $10,000. I'm in wicked profit. Okay, my balance, if you had looked in the first screenshot I showed you called Max Pain, was down to $8,000. So not only did I not close with a $2,000 loss or whatever it was, I waited until I took their money. And I prefer 100x over 150x. It's just better. Okay, 100x is what I use. So here's a little guy trade. I hate doing little guy trades. Okay, you don't make money with this. It takes forever. It's bullshit. I'm gonna send some money over. Look at this Sunday night action, baby. We called this today in my Discord group. Okay, let me take you up here. Okay, So I was telling them about the weakness. Oh my God, I posted so much today. Now it's 7:30 in New York City in the past hour. You can see the dumping. All right. I told them it usually starts, and I told, look at this. I'm not going to bother reading this to you. I got an idiot robot to speak.
Oracle said there is a very significant reason why we have these phenomenons on Sundays. On Sundays and on weekends in general there's no institutions. Wall Street is not involved. It is only crypto people who cause the wild volatility. Why do we usually dump on Sunday nights? That's when the rest of the world wakes up and takes control over the markets again, and so all the crypto hopefuls who longed on a Sunday get slaughtered. There are no promises that these occurrences will happen, but they happen many times. Awareness creates winners.
We are aggressive, degenerate animals. You see that right there? There's a $9 fee on that. If you want that little bit of money, you can have it. I don't care. I'm going to leave that open. Let it play with itself. It could fight from here to kingdom come. And let me tell you, what if we break 30,000? We're not that far away. We're not that far away. So we call this the DWAC, the Dumb American Weekend Chang. Okay? And, well, I just explained to you the reasons. If you want to join my Discord, well, you can still get in for free and follow this kind of guidance, okay, where I tell them, don't short here. It's the local bottom, okay? The last two candles are growing tails. That's a sign of weakness. Then on the 3-minute, we let them buy the dip, and then we slaughtered them. You want to get rich? Come on our Discord. Again, well, it's still free. You want to learn and become a master, okay? You can click the link below. It says consultation. Tells you all about it. You get a one-on-one session with me. I don't care if you never traded before. I will teach you how to do this. Small time frames make you rich. Do you understand? Small time frames make you rich. I don't care about the daily high, the low. I don't care. Okay, we have a thing called the drill down. Okay, let's talk about this. And you know what? I don't have time to sit here. Okay, hold on. Go in our direction. I hope I gave you a lot of tips. There's links below. Boom. It's your 7 minutes of just me, you, the Oracle.